Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about different organ systems present in human body. So there are 11 organ systems are there in human being. Other organ systems also present in human body. Now let us discuss about the organ systems in human body. The first the first one is respiratory system. In respiratory system, the major organs are lungs. Second one, circulatory system. In this circulatory system, heart should play major role in this system. Whereas in digestive system, alimentary canal or food pipe or gut should play major role. Whereas in nervous system, the main organ in the nervous system is brain. The fifth one is excretory system, in which kidneys should play major role. The sixth one, skeletal system. In this system, bones should play major role. Seventh one, endocrine system. In this system, glands, mainly pituitary gland, should play major role. Eighth one, exocrine system. In this system, skin, hair, sweat glands and other gland should play a major role. Whereas ninth one, lymphatic system. In this system, lymph vessels and lymph nodes should play major role. In 10th one, muscular system. In this system, muscle should play major role. Whereas 11th one, reproductive system. In this reproductive system, gametes are gonads. So in male, testis should play major role, whereas in female, ovaries should play major role in reproductive system. Along with these systems, another system also is important, that is 12th one, immune system. This system should help to protect us against disease causing organisms by increasing immunity. So in immune system, white blood cells should play major role. So these are the major systems in our body should play major role. And also our human body is composed of these systems. So without these systems and their organs, we cannot compose our body.